Alright, so now it's time to use the product. So I already brushed my teeth. I think it's dry enough. So it's time to apply the gel on the teeth. So one droplet is good for 2 to 3 teeth. I think we just have to apply this to the visible teeth. No need on the inner teeth. Wait, what? Oh, okay. This one. It's looks like a brush. Tip is a brush, and I guess you have to turn this. Oh, there you go. I see it. It's not. That's one droplet. Going out. Going out. Okay, 2 droplets. And last one. That's 3. So, what is the verdict? Well, for us, we touch on 3 factors. First up is the value. So, one Holo teeth whitening kit will cost you 3,999 pesos. Seems a little steep initially, but in my opinion, it is a very good value since you get a ton out of this kit. So with one kit you get 4 Holo pens, a Holo mouthpiece, a Holo shade guide, and an instructions/tips booklet. For the Holo pens, in my experience, it takes around 3 to 4 days to finish off one Holo pen. And then if you want to buy more Holo pens, you just need to pay 800 pesos. You get more discount if you buy 3 Holo pens at once. So I think that's pretty good. And the most important part here is results or your money back. So Holo has a money back guarantee. Basically, they are banking that their product will work 100% of the time, or else they give you your money back. So no risk at all for you. And for that, we're giving value a score of 9 over 10. So next up, we also included the ease of use. So the kit does have a manual. It has instructions/tips booklet. So here's a basic run through of what to do. Apply the gel with your tooth with the Holo pen, where the mouthpiece turn on, wait 16 minutes. Mouthpiece will automatically turn off after. Then rinse and enjoy your new smile. So pretty straightforward. Just wish they included or indicated how much gel do you have to use. How big a droplet should it be? Because I'm worried that sometimes I'm applying too much or too little and it might distort the final result. So aside from that, I'm good with the ease of use. Simple, easy to understand. So we're giving this a score of 8 out of 10. And for the last factor for the review, what else but the effectiveness? The effectiveness. So of course, this is the most important. If it doesn't work, then why bother buying it? Well, they say the proof is in the pudding. In this case, the proof is in the pictures. So if you compare our before and after photos, I believe we can confidently say that our teeth has become significantly less yellowish. Not quite pristine white, but at least we are approaching there. Now we can be more confident, we can smile more in pictures. So yes, we are giving effectiveness a score of 10 out of 10. Perfect 10. So all in all, it gets an average score of 9 out of 10. Also gets our thumbs up recommendation. So if you guys wanna buy, try it out. We do have a referral link here, posted here on our YouTube channel. You can check out the comments. You get 500 pesos off. So instead of 3,999, you only have to pay 3,499. That's a big discount. Alright, so that is it for us for this review video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please follow our channel for more random unboxing, testing, and review videos. Ergo, the lowly man, signing off. Bye guys.